Hello, folks. So today we are making fried fish, guys. We have some snapper here that we seasoned with salt and pepper, and we also seasoned the cooking oil that they are being fried in with some scallion, some garlic, and we're just frying some fish.
So this is how the fish looks when it's freshly fried. Yes. And now we're moving on to the escovitch sauce, which is pretty much a medley of vegetables infused in a vinegar based
with a little bit of
sauce.
sugar.
Yeah. So she's now Julian in she's now cutting the carrots in Julian style. So it's pretty much very small, matchstick like shape. You just keep doing that all the way until all your carrots are cut up.
And added to that, you will have bell pepper, onion, as well as Scotch bonnet pepper. And everybody knows that the Jamaican Scotch bonnet is the pepper of all peppers.
The
And
hotter,
we
the
say
better.
that with the most pride and with no apology.
None at all.
So when we're through, it will be a beautiful decor of vegetables and fish, and our stomach will appreciate it very much.
So you just want to put everything in a saucepan because we're going to put it on the stove top to create the escabeche sauce. One tablespoon of sugar
With the vinegar.
and vinegar. About a half cup, right? All right, so the escabeche sauce that we made, we're gonna just spread it over the top of the fish and allow that to soak in so that the fish get the nice escabeche flavor. All right, so you just, yeah, that part. Yeah, so it gets a little bit of pepperiness, tanginess, saltiness, sweetness. All the elements of the taste buds will be electrified. Sure. So of course, fried fish is not fried fish unless you're having it with
Vegetable.
vegetable. Okay. So some homemade from scratch vegetable is in the pot, frying up a storm. That is it before it fry, and this is it while it's frying. Check it out when it done fry.
So the fried fish and the escovitch sauce turned out awesome. Yeah, the house just smell really, really good and smell like Jamaica. Mommy and Debbie, my sister, along with the wifey, did an excellent job. And this is the festival, guys, just presenting it on a platter. May I tell you the truth, everything worked out. It was an impromptu cooking we went on with for Independence, and the wifey, the mommy, and everybody got involved. I was the narrator and camera person, as you can see, and we totally enjoyed it. We also made a little bit of bami, and the bami turned out well. Guys, you can turn your hand and make fashion. Cooking and making escabeche fish is very, very simple. It's not intimidating at all. The fish was seasoned with salt and pepper, the escabeche sauce, a little sugar, and some vinegar, and just warm it through in the pot. The bami was fried in the same oil that the the festival was Friday, and everything turned out well. Yeah. Remember to like, share, subscribe, stick and stay. Yardabelly TV coming with more food, nice food all the way. Remember.